Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, since yesterday that I told you guys that Jain University has opened up its forms for all undergrad and postgrad courses, I was receiving a lot of queries regarding the different types of BBA at Jain University. So I thought of covering that in this particular video. But before I get started, you guys know the drill. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to my channel because it's going to be a great value add. Likewise, if you like this content, please smash the like button and share it with your friends, colleagues, your tuition mates and anybody and everybody whom you think these videos are going to be really very beneficial. Alright guys, so moving on. BBA at Jain University. Now there are 5 different kinds of BBA that are offered by Jain University, and often students get confused about which one they should join and about what are the different significance or importance of each of the different kinds of BBA at Jain. So in this video I will try giving you a brief of each and every course that Jain University offers for BBA. Guys, in this particular video I am not covering their BMS related courses, which is Bachelor's of Management Study related courses. There are approximately 10 of those and I will be doing that in my next video because otherwise this video will become really very long. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so the first BBA that we have is the corporate BBA. This is like the heart of BBA at Jain University and very famous BBA offered by Jain University. Now this one is offered in the CMS campus of Jain University, which is on the Lal Bagh Road near Hosur Road. The other significance of this particular course is that there is a dual program. Now there are 10 different kind of certifications to choose from, and students need to choose one of the certifications from the various tie-ups and collaborations that the university has got. So you need to choose that one dual program that you need to do in your first year. Along with that guys, in the third year there is a specialization that all the students have to choose from, either finance, marketing, HR and entrepreneurship. So you need to choose that in the third year, and naturally you'll be studying more of those subjects relating to finance, marketing, HR, whichever one is that you choose. The other highlights of the course is that there are compulsory internships that you have to do. As you guys already know guys, that Jain University provides students a lot of free time, and what they try to do is that they would give you or ask you to do compulsory internships. Along with that, there are different live projects, Toastmasters, business fest that you need to keep yourself occupied and busy with. Guys, the fees here is just an approximate number. This was the fees that the students had to pay last year. That was 2,30,000 each year. This year it might change because of inflation and other reasons, so just take this to be a ballpark or an approximate figure. Next up we have BBA World of Work, or BBA WOW as a lot of you might call it. So it is also offered in the CMS campus of Jain University. The major focus and the highlight of this particular course is on entrepreneurship. Usually what happens in this particular course is that university will provide you a startup wherein you need to work with them on the first half of the day. That means from morning till about afternoon, evening, you will be working with the startup, getting some hands-on experience, and later on in the evening is when they will call you to the campus for studies. Okay, so they would teach you various theory related things and everything. So in the whole day you will be covering your practical as well as theoretical aspects, and later on obviously you will also be given the chance to experience entrepreneurship on your own, which means you can start a startup of your own. You can help take some guidance from faculty members of how you need to go about, use some incubator cells, look out for funding and all these things. So the major highlight, like I told you guys, is to train you towards handling entrepreneurship, looking at various aspects of entrepreneurship, how you can be a good entrepreneur and everything. The fees again guys is just an approximate ballpark figure of 2,30,000 per year. Next up we have BBA Sports Management. This is a very unique course offered by Jain University. Not a lot of universities are offering such BBA programs specifically as very specific to sports management. This too guys is offered in the CMS campus of Jain University. The major focus of this particular course, as the name suggests, is on sports industry and other allied industries. So that means any industry which is related to somewhere or the other to sports management. Like there are a lot of broadcasting agencies, right, that you would have who would be covering sports events and everything. So those come under allied industries. Likewise, there is a lot of travel and tourism that happens with sports. So when your teams are moving from one hotel to another or one place to another for various of the tournaments, so there is hospitality that is involved, there is tourism and travel that is involved. So those become the other allied industries, and they would be training you to be an integral part, and you could be managers, coaches, marketing heads, public relation heads. So in short, you would be looking at sports management that could be either for a particular team or for a brand, and looking at those aspects. And what university does really well is that they would try providing you a lot of interactions with sports personalities and industry exposure. As you guys already know that Jain has got a very good alumni when it comes to sports related people. So cricketers like KL Rahul, Robin Uthappa, Manish Pandey, all of them are from Jain University. So they would now and then host these guest lectures and talks wherein you can interact with these sports personalities and look at of how you could build your career around sports, even if you're not a sportsman. A lot of people get mistaken and get wrong that only because they want to become a cricketer or a basketball player or football player is when they should join this course like BBA Sports Management. But that's absolutely wrong, guys. Even if you're not a cricketer or a sportsman in itself, but however you are interested in the world of sports, this could be a great course because there are a lot of other things that sportsmen don't do, and there is tons of people working behind these sportsmen. That could be again like fitness coaches, managers, brand engagers, and all these things. So this essentially would open up gates for that. The fees again, guys, an approximate figure of 2,30,000. This could definitely change this year. Alright guys, the second last course that we have is BBA Honors. This too, guys, is offered in the CMS campus of Jain University. A major difference in comparison of BBA Honors to that of a corporate BBA or the BBA General is that in this particular course the specialization starts in the second year itself. So in your second year itself you need to go to the faculty members and let them know which specialization you're looking in for, whether it is finance, whether it's marketing, whether it's HR or entrepreneurship, and then faculty members will guide you likewise of which all subjects you need to take so that it can really help you chalk out the path in that particular specialization. Likewise, guys, this particular course has got compulsory 90-day internship that you need to do either with a corporate or with a startup. The fees on this one is little on the higher side since it's an honors course, so the fees is approximately 2,75,000. This was the figure for last year. This year definitely it could change. It could go a little higher or lesser. Alright guys, so the last course that we have in the BBA section of Jain University is BBA Finance and Accountancy. This one is offered again in the CMS campus of Jain University. It is integrated with ACCA UK. If you guys are already following my videos relating to Christ University, so I have talked in detail about ACCA. It's more or less like becoming a chartered accountant in the UK, and as you know, to become that you need to clear some exams, and if you are doing this particular course from Jain University, you would be getting 9 out of the 13 papers exempted. So naturally you just have to give 4 papers to become an ACCA, out of which 2 you need to do before your third year and 2 you need to do after you've completed your graduation from Jain University. Along with that, this course is a great foundation to the world of finance, and you could be looking out for career options in banking, auditing, taxation, investment banking, and a lot more things related to that. So in case if you're interested in things related to finance and accountancy, this could be a good course for you. The fees on an approximate number is around 3 lakhs per year. This is very high for a BBA course, but yes, that's the number. This could go a little higher or lesser according to the changes in the figures that the management of Jain University would bring about this year. I'm not really sure on that as of now. Alright, which one is it for you? I know, guys, this is going to be a very tough question for you guys to answer. That is the reason I would definitely suggest you guys to please check out the link in the description below for my personal guidance and doubt clearing sessions. A lot of students interact to me on a day-to-day basis, on a one-on-one basis. They even get their parents along, where we discuss about a lot of factors, where I get to know a lot about you, and then I can help you and guide you in terms of choosing the best course for you. A lot of people make the mistake of just listening to their friends and colleagues, and also to a few of their seniors, or to somebody whom they idealize, and they just try following that path, but later on they realize that that is not made for them, because every child is unique in themselves. So I would highly suggest this personal guidance and doubt clearing session with me, guys. It's a 30-minute one-on-one video call. For more details, please check out the link in the description, and you would have all the details that you need. So yes, guys, that's about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like I told you guys, in my next video I will be covering the BMS related courses of Jain University. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you guys do not miss any update. Trust me, guys, I will be taking care, and I'll be mentoring you guys throughout the process of whichever college you want to make it through. I promise to be a great mentor to all you people. If you like this video, please smash the like button. Please comment below if you have any doubts, questions, queries. Likewise, you can reach out to me personally for my personal guidance and doubt clearing session. Last but not the least, guys, please share this video with as many people as you can, and please help my channel grow. Subscribing would not cost you a single penny, so please do it wholeheartedly. Take care, guys. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye bye, guys.